Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. So let's start our trial for today. Let's start question number 21 from mathematical reasoning section. And if you want to watch and learn along with me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. So let's start with question number 21. How many right angles will you make if you face south and turn clockwise to east? Okay. So first let's draw the directions. If this is east, then the opposite is the west, and to the left of east is north, and this is the south direction. So question is asking how many right angles will you make if you face south, means we are facing south, this direction, and turn clockwise to east. So clockwise means in the direction in which our minute and second hand in a clock move. So clock hands move like this. So from south, if I start, I will move like this. So how many right angles will I make? This will be one right angle, two right angle, three right angles. So answer is 3 for question number 21B. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 22. Question number 22 says, Rohit is at minus 13 on the number line. If he moves 8 integers on the number line, then where will he reach on the number line? So let's first draw the number line. This is the number line. Rohit is at minus 13, and then what the numbers to the right of number line will be minus 2, minus 11, minus 10. This is what the question is trying to understand. If the concept is clear, what will come to the right? Suppose one writes like in positive integers, after 13 one writes minus 14, minus 15, answer will be wrong. So that is what this question is trying to test. The concept is clear or not. So a very easy question. Only if you know the concept correct, you can answer it very easily. So Rohit is at minus 13 and he has to take right 8 jumps to the right. 1 jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump, sixth jump, seventh jump, and finally 8 jump. Where did he reach? Rohit, after 8 jumps to the right of minus 13, he reached minus 5. So option D, question number 22 is D option, minus 5. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 23. Question number 23 says, how many composite numbers are there between 50 and 75? Now, to understand how many composite numbers are there, first let's understand how many prime numbers are there between 50 and 75. Okay, so first prime number is 53. Next will be 59. Next will be 61. 67 is next, 71 and 73. So we have written all the prime numbers between 50 and 75. Then how many numbers are there between 50 and 75? First let's write how many digits we found to be prime. 6 numbers we found, right? These are 6 numbers in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers in all. And total numbers between 50 and 75, when we calculate, we should not include 50 and 75. When question like between is there, start counting from 51. You take 51 into consideration. So 51 to 74, if you check, there are 24 numbers in all. Okay, so total number of composite numbers, that will be subtraction of 24 minus 6 will give us the total number of composite numbers between 50 and 75. Let's do that. That will be 24 minus 6. Okay, I'll just erase this. 24 minus 6, which is 18. So 18 numbers in all are total composite. So option 18 is not there, but option D says more than 15. So question 23 is D option, more than 15. Okay, so here while calculating, you should be very clear with prime numbers. Otherwise, again, it's testing prime numbers knowledge of the child, of the student. So be very clear. Okay, let's start with question number 24. Question number 24 says, find the total number of angles formed in the given figure. So now if you look at this figure, four angles are obvious. Which angles? Angle AOB, angle BOC, angle DOC, and angle AOD. These are obvious angles. But there are more angles as well. AOC, one more angle, right? And if I take this angle DOB, this is also another angle. So we did not count all the angles because option D says more than 5. We have already identified 6 angles. So not required, more than 5 option holds good for us. So 24 question, answer or option is D. So let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 25. Question number 25 says the side of a square is 18 meter, okay, and the breadth of a rectangle is 29 meter. Side is 18 meter of this square and rectangle has got breadth of 29 meter. So what it is saying is that perimeter of the rectangle is half the area of the square. So first let's find area of the square. Area of the square, what will be the formula? Side into side. Okay, side into side means 18 into 18 because 18 is the length of the magnitude of the side. So 18 into 18 is 324. You can calculate if you do not know. 324 meter square because this is area, unit will be in meter square. So half of it will be perimeter. So half of 324 is divided by 2. If you do, it's 162. 162 meter is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now from this, can we not find the length? Of course we can find. Let's take this length to be L. Then we can find it. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Formula is 2 multiplied with length plus breadth. Okay, so length plus breadth, this value is already we have found out, it's 162 meter. We have found out by dividing the area of the square by 2. So now 2L will be equal to 162 minus 2B, right? So 162 minus 2. What is the value of breadth? 29. 29 into 2. 29 into 2 is 18, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 58. So 58. So if I subtract this, what will be the value? 12 minus 8 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 104. Now length will be divided by 2 because 2 is here, right? So this 2, if this comes this side, it will be divided. So length becomes 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 52 meter. Okay, this much calculation you need to do correctly to understand the answer for this question. So our question number 25, option D is the answer.